Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Biomax Rapid Test is probably one of the most crucial tools for proactive health management in today's world, offering a convenient and accessible way to gain immediate insights into your well-being, empowering you to make informed decisions about your health and the health of those around you with speed and confidence, especially when facing potential health concerns or simply prioritizing regular health monitoring. Number 5. iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Introducing the iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Get accurate results in just 15 minutes, right in the comfort of your home. It's a simple, non-invasive nasal swab test. Join millions of families who trust this test. It's been a leading supplier, delivering over 1 billion tests nationwide. You can rely on its proven performance. This test is FDA EUA authorized for over-the-counter use. You can easily purchase and use it at home without a prescription. No need to send samples to a lab. Stay informed about the latest developments. This test is designed to detect multiple COVID-19 variants, keeping you updated as the virus changes. Using it is simple and causes minimal discomfort. Just a quick, non-invasive nasal swab is needed. Instructional videos are available if you need them. This test is suitable for individuals aged 15 and older. For children aged 2 to 14, adult collection is required. It's a convenient option for the whole family. What we like? This option is a trusted choice, backed by widespread use and the ability to detect various COVID-19 strains. It's designed for ease of use with minimal discomfort. If you're looking for a reliable, widely used test that keeps up with evolving variants, this is a solid pick for general household use. What people say. The test is easy to use and provides accurate results. The design of the test makes it simple to collect the sample and get a reading. The rapid nature of the test allows for quick confirmation of results. Number 4. iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Introducing the iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Get reliable results in just 15 minutes, right from the comfort of your home. No need to send samples to a lab. Testing is easy and comfortable with a non-invasive nasal swab. Simply insert it 1, 2 to 3, 4 inch for quick results. Optional instructional videos are available. This self-administered test is recommended for individuals 15 and older. Adult collection is required for children aged 2 to 14. Manage and track test results for your group with our mobile app. It's perfect for schools, workplaces, or events. Each test kit features independently sealed packaging for safe and hygienic testing. Both the swabs and test cards are individually wrapped. This test is FDA EUA authorized for over-the-counter use. You can purchase and use it confidently at home. What we like? This test stands out with its ability to manage group testing via a mobile app, alongside individually sealed packaging for hygiene. If you need to monitor results for a family, small group, or event, and prioritize hygienic individual packaging, this is the one to consider. What people say. The test is easy to use and provides accurate results. The design of the test makes it simple to collect the sample and get a reading. The rapid nature of the test allows for quick diagnosis and timely treatment. Number 3. BinaxNOW COVID-19 Antigen Self-Test. Introducing the leading COVID-19 self-test in the USA. It utilizes the same trusted technology found in professional settings and is designed to detect multiple variants. Get rapid results in just 15 minutes, right in the comfort of your home. There's no need for a prescription or to send samples to a lab for processing. This test is identical to those used by healthcare professionals. It's intended for your personal use and has received emergency use authorization from the FDA. This pack includes 2 nasal swab tests to help detect active infections. You can use them whether you have symptoms or not. This test may be eligible for reimbursement through your FSA or HSA. Please check with your health insurance provider for specific coverage details. It's suitable for a wide range of users. Adults can administer it to children as young as 2 years old, and individuals 15 and older can perform the test themselves. What we like? Marketed as the #1 self-test in the USA, this option utilizes technology trusted by medical professionals and detects multiple COVID-19 variants. If you value a test that mirrors professional-grade accuracy and has a strong market presence, this is a great choice for confident at-home testing. What people say. The test is easy to use and provides accurate results quickly. The design of the test makes it simple to collect the sample and perform the test at home. The test kit includes all necessary components for a complete test, ensuring convenience and reliability. Number 2. Flowflex COVID-19 Antigen Home Test Kit. Get fast and reliable results for your family's health. This test detects multiple COVID-19 variants and provides peace of mind in just 15 minutes. Experience the same high standards and sensitivity used by healthcare professionals. No prescription or lab visit is needed for testing. This test is approved for self-testing for individuals 14 and older. It's also suitable for children ages 2 and up when an adult administers it. Everything you need is included for a simple, non-invasive nasal swab. Clear, step-by-step instructions are provided in English and Spanish. With a 24-month expiration date, it stays fresh and ready when you need it. Its compact design is perfect for home health kits and travel. This convenient testing solution is eligible for FSA and HSA spending. Ensure your family's well-being with an easy-to-use option. What we like. This test offers a long 2-year shelf life, ensuring it's ready when needed, and boasts clinical performance comparable to tests used by doctors. It's also safe for both children and adults. If you want a test with excellent longevity and reliable performance, and need something suitable for the whole family, this is an excellent option. What people say. The easiest to perform, longest shelf life tests you can buy. Easy, efficient and effective testing kit. Should be the model for all COVID testing kits. Positive results in under 1 minute. One family member had positive results in 1 second. The Flowflex test stayed positive 1 day longer than iHealth with a faint but visible band. Number 1. iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Introducing the iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Get accurate results in just 15 minutes, right from your home. This test is designed for your convenience. It's a simple, non-invasive nasal swab that's easy to use with zero discomfort. Forget about shipping samples to a lab. You can complete this self-test in the comfort of your own home. This test is FDA authorized for self-testing. It provides qualitative detection of the SARS-CoV-2 antigen. It's suitable for individuals aged 2 and older. Adult collection is required for younger children. This pack contains 90 kits, providing a total of 180 tests. It's a great option for families or frequent testing needs. What we like. This is a bulk pack containing 90 kits, offering significant value for frequent testing needs or larger organizations. It maintains the ease of use and zero discomfort features. If you are stocking up for a business, school, or a large household, this multi-pack is the most economical and practical choice. What people say. The test is easy to use and provides accurate results quickly. The design of the test makes it simple to collect the sample and perform the test at home. The rapid nature of the test allows for immediate results, which is crucial for timely isolation and treatment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.